Welcome to TECHi. Ever wonder how just a few clicks can connect you to billions? Today, we're diving into the evolution of social media. In 1844, Samuel Morse sent his historic telegraph, "What hath God wrought?" marking the birth of instant long-distance communication. Fast forward to 1969, when ARPANET introduced packet switching, allowing computers to exchange messages and setting the stage for our modern internet. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, email, bulletin board systems, BBS, Usenet, and IRC enabled real-time online conversation. Though text-heavy and niche, they proved one thing: people craved connection. By 1997, 6degrees.com let users create profiles and friend others. Not a smash hit, but it laid the foundation. In 2002, Friendster hit millions, especially in Asia, but fizzled out. Then in 2003, MySpace surged 1 million monthly users. By 2004, and soon outranking Google in the US. 2004, Facebook launched at Harvard, opening to all with real-name profiles and expanding via the newsfeed in 2006. By 2012, it had over 1 billion users. Meanwhile, Twitter debuted in 2006, introducing microblogging with 140-character posts that soon evolved into a multimedia powerhouse. Fast forward to February 2025, 5.56 billion people online and 5.24 billion on social media, about 63.9% of the global population. On average, people spend 2 hours 21 minutes daily on social platforms where news, entertainment, and commerce collide. Tap like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so TECHi keeps showing up in your feed.